Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the frame and mesh for tears or loosened spline so you know what to replace and why. Once done, measure the opening to cut a new mesh with 1-2 cm overlap. This prevents gaps. Make sure to have a spline roller, blunt tool, and a replacement mesh rated for your window size. Begin removing the spline and mesh gently with a screwdriver, working one corner at a time so the frame stays intact and you can reuse it. Next, you lay the replacement mesh over the frame and align it, leaving 1-2 cm overlap so you can tension it properly. Then, starting at a corner, press the spline into the groove with the roller. Move slowly and alternate sides to distribute tension evenly and avoid wrinkles. Once the spline is seated around the perimeter, use a sharp utility knife to trim excess mesh flush to the spline. This gives a clean seal and prevents fraying, so insects can't find a gap. Finally, reinstall the window sash and inspect the edges for any gaps by looking for light or feeling drafts. This confirms a proper seal. If you see sagging or wrinkles, remove a short section of spline, restretch the mesh slightly, and reseat the spline to increase tension. Stronger mesh may be needed for older frames. If a small tear remains, apply a mesh patch or heavy-duty clear tape as a temporary fix, and make a note to replace the entire panel if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.